Morphle, morph into a train.
Have fun at the beach, everyone!
To find it. Now the lion is missing as well. Where could it have gone? The giraffe has gone missing as well.
Bandits!
Yes, the bandits must have stolen them. Let's find them. Aha! There you are, bandits. What did you do with all the animals?
Huh? What animals?
The animals that were in the carts that have disappeared.
You mean the carts that have disappeared like that?
Third monkey. Uh-oh, he's gone missing. Don't worry, we'll find him again. There you are. It's not fun to be alone, is it? Now that you're together again, let's find the other animals. They must feel just as alone and sad as you did just now. If you find them, you can call Morphle. Uh-oh! Morphle, morph tracks to right underneath the elephant. Phew! Great! Now let's find the others. Wow! That looks great, Lion! Yeah! Now we only need to find the giraffe. Whee! There you are, giraffe. You see, monkeys? It's much more fun to all be together. Now, let's go to the beach. Bye-bye, Bye, Giraffe. Later. Yay! We made it! Yeah!
Look, kids, a dolphin. How could a field trip to the ocean get any better than this?
Morphle, morph into a bus that can dive underwater.
Look over there. It's a school of fish. Oh, and over there, jellyfish. And a whale. And, well, hello, miss. No, wait, miss. Ah, a shark. We need to get out of here.
Move around it, Morphle.
Oh my! This place is dangerous. We should go back. Oh no! It's the sea giant.
Who are you calling a sea giant, you tiny little man? I am Neptune, king of the sea.
Hi, Neptune. We're on an underwater school trip. We were having a lot of fun until a shark showed up.
Oh, that guy? He's not so scary. But he's gone now. So let me help you by making this the best school trip ever.
Is that safe?
Safe as can be. Go ahead.
Okay, here I come.
Oh, thank you, Neptune, for making this trip the best.
Yes, unforgettable.
My pleasure. Come visit me anytime.
Bye now. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Oh no! Not my beautiful hat!
Mr. Mayor, what happened?
Oh, Mila, it's terrible. I was just walking around in our beautiful city thinking mayoral thoughts when someone drove by and stole my hat.
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We're on the job. Morphle, morph into a search dog.
Hold it right there. I saw who took the hat. It was you.
Morphle?
All right. What's going on here?
There you are, you thief! Give me back my doggy!
Are you saying Morphle stole from you?
Morphle would never do that.
Yes, he would. I just bought a birthday cake when Morphle drove by and grabbed it from my hands. Are you all sure it was Morphle?
Yes!
Well, well. Morphle a criminal. Not in my city. I'm going to have to take you to the police station, Morphle.
No, please! He didn't do anything!
Looks like they're gone. You can come out now, Yorn. They all think Morphle stole their stuff. Oh, this must be our best plan yet.
Yeah, let's steal some more.
Morphle, no criminal.
Don't worry, Morphle. I will prove you're innocent.
No! Give me back my apples!
So the bandits took all the stuff.
I can't believe it! Morphle took all my apples! Don't worry, sir. We've already caught Morphle. But it happened just now. Outstanding police work, if I say so myself.
Morphle didn't do it. It was the bandits. I saw them with my own eyes.
Now, Mila, you can't go around blaming everything on the bandits. Bye-bye now.
Ooh! Morphle, I know who did it. The bandits stole everything. But no one wants to believe me.
Mila, catch the bandits.
But I can't do it without you, Morphle.
Morphle, no catch. Morphle, a jail.
But I have an idea. Can you still hear me, Morphle?
Morphle here. Where go? Where go?
Give me back my tools, Morphle.
Sounds like trouble. Go down, Morphle. Don't worry, Joe. We're on it.
What? Another Morphle?
Faster, Morphle. We almost have them.
She's too fast, Stein. She's going to catch us.
We'll see about that.
No, 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 no! Slow down, Morphle.
Not so fast now, are you?
Morphle, turn around quickly.
Huh?
Again. We've done it, Morphle.
Yeah!
Shh. Quiet, Yorn. How did you get out of jail, Morphle? Trying to hide all your stolen loot, I see.
That's not Morphle. Those are the bandits.
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't Morphle.
That's what I've been telling you all along.
All right already. You've caught us. Uh-oh. I might have made a slight mistake. I'm very sorry I doubted you, Morphle. Of course you're not a criminal. And in light of your outstanding police work, I'll make you honorary police officers.
It was fun pretending to be Morphle. Right, Stein?
It sure was. Morph into a plane, Yorn.
No, you morph into a car, Stein.
Morphle, wait! Where are you going? Ah, so this is what you were after. You smelled the other dogs.
Yes, little girl. This is the yearly dog agility course. Your pet can join too.
Ooh, let's compete, Morphle.
Aw, come on, Sammy. You can win this race.
Hey, Builder Lawrence, what's wrong?
My little Sammy doesn't want to do this race anymore because the big dogs are being mean to her. Poor Sammy. Good job, Barky.
Don't be scared. Morphle isn't mean. Look. That's it, Morphle. Let's play with Sammy so she doesn't think you are scary anymore. Hey, guys, that was our ball. Can we have it back?
Is it? Well, finders keepers. If you really want to have it back, then why don't you try taking it?
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex.
Ah!
Are all doggies ready? 5,
We are late, Morphle, but there's still a chance Sammy can win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Barky. Oh, no.
Give them a dose of their own medicine, Morphle.
Oh, ho, ho! Hooray! You did it!
The award goes to this little one who beat the biggest of participants.
Morphle, today is the last day before the new year starts.
Fireworks!
Wow! We made a lot of new friends this year, Morphle. Morphle, morph into a flying house so we can pick up all the new friends we made this year.
Where it go?
Let's Let's go to Phoebe first. Hi, Mila and Morphle. Hi, Phoebe. Morphle and I are picking up all the new friends we made this year for the New Year's celebration. Would you like to come with us? That's a great idea. Of course I'll come with you. The next one we need to pick up is in the mountains as well.
Mountain Giant!
Hi, Mountain Giant. We are gathering all our new friends for the New Year's celebration. Would you like to come with us as well? Let's go, Morphle. I thought their new home was here.
Toy dinosaurs! Yeah!
Do you want to come with us as well? Oh no! The toy dinosaurs will never fit! Morphle, morph into a bigger house! Great! Next up is... There she is! Shelly the mermaid!
Pick up Morphle!
Hi, Mr. Mayor. Is something wrong?
Hi, Mila. When we got here for the New Year celebration, all the fireworks were gone.
Oh, no! I think I could help with that. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Happy New Year! There's no place in the world where it's more fun to climb trees than in the jungle. Right, Morphle? Hey, look! The crocodile seems like it's in pain. I'm too scared to get close to it, Morphle. You should morph into a crocodile too, so you two can become friends.
Crocodile, what's wrong? Crocodile, a toothache.
We should help it by brushing its teeth. Oh, this is scary. Ah, look, Morphle. The crocodile was just losing a baby tooth. That's why it had a toothache. Then we can put the tooth right here and wait for the tooth fairy. This is such a long wait. Maybe the tooth fairy doesn't visit the jungle. Let's wait for just a little bit more. Phew. Phew. Ooh, it's such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream.
Ooh, ice cream.
Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
Bye-bye, baby.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet Store. This time, I'm sure I got it right.
With my latest invention, I can reverse the gravity for any object I zap with it.
Zap me, Professor Rashid.
Morphle too.
With this mirror, I'll be able to zap myself. Whoa! Tumbling test tubes. I forgot to zap the zapper. This is our chance.
Oh, no.
From now on, we shall be the Gravity Bandits.
Morphle, go after them. We have to save that lady, Morphle. Let's go after the bandits, Morphle.
Hey, not in my city.
Oh no! Morphle, morph into an airplane! Look, they are at the Magic Pet Store.
With this zapper, we can steal all the magic pets we want.
I am looking mighty fine today. Don't you think, Mr. Mirror? You certainly do.
Hand us all the magic pets.
No.
Huh? No!
We'll take this